Good news, as YouTube launch out new updates on YouTube, and this will excite a lot of creators. In today's video, we're going to be exploring it and then getting to understand what YouTube actually meant by this particular new update that they launched out. Welcome back again to the channel. My name is Sonia. If this is the first time you're tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So, in the YouTube Made For You official blog, they said the next 20 powering the future of entertainment together at Made on YouTube, right? And they said it out here clear. They said 20 years ago, YouTube launched with the ideas that everyone should have opportunities to create and find a global stage. Since then, we have seen creators shape cultures and entertainment in ways we never thought possible. Anyone with an idea, whether an individual, artist, studio, or brand, can become a creator here. And we help them run their ideas into a business. We have paid out over $100 billion to creators, actors, and media companies globally over the last years. We didn't just create a platform, we built an economy. Now, one, they said new short creation tools. Today at Made on YouTube, we introduce new products and innovation to power the next decade of creation, connection, and business on YouTube. Tell your story your way. AI can help create people everywhere share their story. So we are making creation on shorts easier and more fun. We have started integrating Google DeepMind Video 3 Fast into YouTube Shorts so that you can easily create videos, background, or clip with sound for free. Don't tell me this is not a good news. And I think that with this particular one, TikTok actually want to make it look like, that TikTok standard. YouTube, want to make it that TikTok standard. The way you can just seamlessly go to TikTok and then get any type of background that you want, filters and the rest of that. It's absolutely a good news as far as I'm concerned. And drop, okay, a new capability powered by V allowed you to apply motion, restyle videos, and add props to your scene. Edit with AI will help turn your raw footage into a first draft video. Finally, speech to song, turn video dialogue into a funny soundtrack for your next shot. We see AI as the next evolution of these tools designed to empower human creativity and storytelling. But make no mistake, no studio, network, tech, company, or AI will allow the future of entertainment. That's power belongs to you, the creator. Streaming the creative process. Creators already use YouTube Studio for deep insight and inspiration for what to create next. We are now adding a new suite of tools designed to be a true creative partner across every phase of creation journey. Collaboration. Create collaboration with other creators to expand your tech or gather insight from our new conversational tools. Ask Studio to better optimize your channel and get ready for A/B testing for titles, update to the inspirational tabs, and upgrade to auto doubling. Honestly, YouTube na baba. Finally, we are expanding our likeness detection tools, which allow creators to detect and manage videos made with AI using their facial likeness. Coming soon to all YouTube partnership program creators in an open beta. Here is a deep dive. Reinventing formats to build strong connection. We are bringing creators and their fans closer by reimagining TV and formats driving today's culture. Live content drive unparalleled interactivities and connection. On average, over 30% of daily logged YouTube viewers watch live content in Q2 2025 alone. Today, we are making our largest upgrade to live ever by introducing new ways to connect with existing fans, reaching new audience, and better monetize live stream. The past few years have been podcasts, culture relevance transformation through videos. We are bringing new tools to help podcast creators reach and connect with their audience more deeply. This future will help podcasters easily create engaged video clips and short from full episode. Don't have the time or resources for videos? Google DeepMind V can help you generate customizable video from audio files. Fostering connection between artists and fans. Move music, culture, and power artists' career. So we are creating new opportunities to create artists with their fans. On YouTube Music, we will see the option to count down to upcoming new release and pre-save your favorites. And across YouTube, we are building tools that let artists reward and connect with their top fans through exclusive merch, thank you video, behind the scene clips, and just for fun content. Hey, build new brands building new brands to creators relationship. We are adding updates to brand deals and shopping. I'm happy about this one. To make brand connection easier than ever, we are accelerating these deals through a new initiative and new products, future to make this partnership succeed, like the ability to add a link to a brand site in shorts, and YouTube shopping is expanding to make markets and merchants and getting help from AI to make tagging easier. As we look ahead to the future, we committed to empowering creators, fostering communities, and continue to redefine how the world match, listen, and connect. We can't wait to see what we create together in the next 20 years. At this good news, yes, it is time for you right now to pick up from where you stop. If you stop creating content, you have to restart creating content because YouTube has a lot to give out to creators. And the good part I love about this update is the fact that short is going to be very, very easy right now, because I think there was one of my video I actually said something. I said, why not YouTube try to rebrand short just like the way we have this normal short background on TikTok and the rest of that. And YouTube did, right? You are excited, you're not excited as a creator. The most important thing is pick your camera and start filming a video, because this update will definitely favor a lot of creators, big content creators, small content creators. Remember, I will keep telling you, there is no content you create on YouTube that YouTube will intentionally not push it out. Do you get? It will definitely meet every single audience. Start creating content. This is the latest YouTube update, and this is Vibe Sonia bringing it down to your table. Let me know in the comment section if you've seen this update before. If you haven't, let me know as well. I want to really know. Let me know which you think is more interesting to you, because me, I'm interested in the brown deals, I'm interested in the shorts format, and I'm interested in that one that they'll bring out AI tools to help auto doubling very easy. I love all of that. Let me know yours in the comment section. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be seeing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you.